It is finally time to do another episode in my Abstract series. We got a new Flash Badge. I'm gonna talk about this and walk you through how to get it in a second. It's super easy to get. I'm gonna give you a couple of updates. But first of all, shout out to Felix, who commented under one of my last videos about the OpenAI versus Elon Musk trial that there is a new Flash Badge. To be honest, I've been a bit out of things with Abstract. I've been a bit demotivated with how things were going, but now I'm back with this episode and we're gonna take a look at what happened in the Abstract ecosystem before I show you how to get the newest Flash Badge. So, first of all, they just posted this today. Physical collectibles are thriving on Abstract with over $16.3 million in trading volume generated by fans, collectors, and investors. So what I've seen while going through the Abstract account, they've been doing a lot of case studies, what they've been doing. So this kind of feels like they're raising again, maybe showcasing what they did. The market is not looking good at all, although let's be honest, NFTs are having kind of a comeback with the floor prices getting back to, well, at least getting better. Let's not say to a good place, but there's definitely a positive impact of all the Blur, OpenSea, and all those farmings from all the NFT marketplaces. Now that this is over, the collectors seem to be getting into the digital collectibles, what NFTs are. So if you want to go through this, feel free. I got all the links as always down in the description so you can read through this case study as well. Abstract also now has a Luma page, as you can see here. Abstract ecosystem account posted this. I already opened this. Yeah, I open it here. So you can find all kinds of events here on the Luma page. If you're not familiar with Luma, this is basically a event page. For example, Solana and Solana Super Team have been using this for quite some time. I have been using this for some events, so it's a great way to let people know about your event. So if you like, then you can follow the Luma page and get notifications once there is a new event coming up, for example, gaming, podcasts, like spaces or streams, and maybe IRL events as well. Then also, I've talked about this one here in in several of the previous episodes. They kind of redid this in a way because now we see phase one discretionary spending, digital Disneyland. We see the games, the betting, trading, IP, etc. Phase 2 expansion of offerings, and phase 3 the essential spreading, online banking, taxes, DAOs, consumer finance, and so on. So they did this in a fancier way basically. Before we get to the newest badge, this is also an update that they posted about 2 weeks ago. Meet the new Abstract Explorer. This upgrade brings powerful debug views and nested call data parsing and cleaner insights across the entire chain. You can check it out under explorer.apps.xyz. This looks horrible. Let's switch to night mode. And then you can see the newest Explorer. Feel free to check it out. I don't want to drag this video too long, so let's talk about and I have no idea why this also got back to light mode. You can see here we're in the rewards tab and you can click the claim now button for the NFT Collector Badge if you own an NFT from a collection that has over 25 ETH in volume. There is plenty of those and there's plenty that really don't cost much these days. So feel free to get this. As you can see here, always remember to turn on two-factor authentication. You still got roughly 2 days left to claim this one. This is a super easy badge to get. We still don't know when the TGE will be. That's about it for this week's update. I got a lot of AI videos coming up. Also, this one is dropping tomorrow. the one where you learn about what happens when you put different AI agents powered by Grok, Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude into virtual cities and see if they survive, what happens, if they commit crimes. This is a really fun one, so make sure to check it out. This will be released tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in the next video.